go for that side for South Africa. Wetin happen for there? Hey. So mommy born a pikin for a belle, and they take that pikin sell am for some witch doctor. Say me they use the pikin for sacrifice. The man dey find pikin for buy am. That woman take say fit sell a pikin. The pikin be there 6 years wey mommy sell am for jabu man. Say me jabu man use it do all jabu the way want out am. How it happen? Direme he two friend them, one in Jumba, Rachel Shante Smith and Kelly Smith. The two boy them, they don't hold them too. Now he take him, he sell them through the boy them. The medicine man, the jabu man give how much? $1,000. Countryman, countrywoman. $1,000 now how much for France CFA? Now about 77,000 approximately 577,000. See the amount where mommy born pikin. In men am so take 6 years. It go sell am. Say me they make juju with the pikin. Cha, that thing don't pass me. It don't pass me, countryman, countrywoman.